Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte X870I AORUS Pro ICE motherboard and its motherboard Gigabyte first Mini-ITX motherboard with X870 chipset and is priced around $299 US. So friend, Gigabyte is set to launch the first Mini-ITX board from the latest AMD CPU. Featuring an all-white design. According to Gigabyte, this board comes with 8+2+1 VCORE+SOC+MISC and face VRM design and support all AM5 processor including the latest 9800X3D. So friend, it support up to DDR5 880 specification through AMD EXPO overclocking profile, and this board also provides space for two M.2 SSD, one generation 5 and one generation 4. For PCIe, there is a single full-size PCIe 5.0 into 16 slot for GPU and reinforced with Gigabyte UD slot X design for added strength to the interface for heavier GPU, and Gigabyte has equipped the board with Wi-Fi 7 featuring the company's new EZ plug antenna system. It also includes the EZ LED system for PCIe and GPU and allowing user to remove the GPU easily by pressing a button. And the board ticks most boxes from small form factor PC all through its case have more M.2 slot, its premium design offering good space, network, audio, memory and more. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.